Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into your energy to see what the heck you got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. I appreciate every last one. You take what resonates, leave what does not. If it doesn't apply, go ahead and let it fly. Okay, get rid of it. No point in holding on to it. Okay, let's go and get into it and see what y'all got going on though. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. What y'all got going on? What's happening with the Divine Space family, friends, and collective? I'm seeing demonic. It's at the bottom of the. Oh, anchoring this reading is demonic, y'all. Okay, we got tarot reader. So we have a demonic tarot reader, y'all. Hmm. Is that what Spirit is trying to let me know that there's a demonic tarot reader out here? Okay. Let's go ahead and clarify this a little bit further and see what the heck is going on. Clarify this demonic energy, please, Spirit. What's happening with this demonic energy? Like, what you mean? Clarify demonic, please, Spirit. I'm seeing an energy of, it says, okay, stagnation. There's an energy of stagnation here. Okay. One more. All right. So here's the thing. I don't know, you guys. I'm gonna be honest. That maybe this person is your. You may think that this person is your friend. Okay. I'm seeing energy of friendship here. Number 72 can be significant. You guys having some sort of connection or has some sort of connection. For what I'm seeing here, I'm definitely seeing an energy. Clarifying this demonic energy is. It says stagnation. I'm seeing an energy of stop. I feel like whoever this person is possibly someone that possibly doesn't want to be seen for who they are. Okay, this is someone that possibly masks themselves in the energy of possibly of someone being married, someone that is humane, morale, that comes off as everyone is to everyone that they are kind, they're friendly. Okay, they are spiritual, high vibrational. Okay, this is someone that's trying to portray themselves as having inner peace. I'm seeing an energy of possibly even saying that they meditate. Number 14, 64, and 12 could be significant. Yeah, whoever this person is could possibly be a friend, or again, like I stated, you might have some sort of friendship with this person. Hmm. This could also talk about an energy of spirit wanting you to stop getting a reading from someone. That's what I'm seeing here because I'm seeing stop. Pay attention to what's going on in your life, especially if after getting a reading you have been experiencing stagnation, or you have been experiencing I heard downfalls. You have been experiencing downfalls with these people being in your energy. Is what I'm hearing. All right, let's go and clarify a little bit further. What's going on with the Divine Space family, friends, and collective? Clarify, clarify stop. What's going on with this stop energy, please, Spirit? Yeah, because it says stop and it says like stop, pause, a break. And I'm seeing an energy of you guys receiving unexpected money. Wait a minute, clarify the stop energy. I'm gonna grab one more. Stop. What's going on? Clarify stop, please, Spirit. A thief. Yeah, it's coming off as thief. I'm seeing an energy of you guys having like this unexpected money, right? Having this good fortune. And then while being in whoever this person energy is, it's like an energy of things being taken from you energetically. Like somebody stealing from you and it's stealing from you energetically is what I'm seeing here. Number 27, 24 is out here. This is also speaking of an energy of them, the spirit is called wanting someone to stop before they steal from you energetically. That's what I'm seeing here. Somebody, it's like spirit wants someone to stop. Clarify this merit making. What is it that we need to know in regards to merit making? And number 64 could be significant. What's going on with merit making? I'm seeing Ice King in the reverse. All right. So I'm definitely not seeing, I'm seeing someone clarifying this merit energy, good merit energy. I'm not seeing an energy of someone that's emotionally closed off or anything. I'm seeing someone very empathic, very caring, very nurturing. Okay. It seems like you're whoever you are, you're very kind, nurturing. Your spirit, yeah, whoever you are, you could possibly be like this energy heal, like this energy healer or something, or healer energy or something like that. Okay, it's almost like an energy of you being like a generator is what I'm showing here. It's like you're like a beam of light. Okay, like an energy source or something like that for whoever this demonic energy is what I'm showing here. I feel like your family maybe is what I'm showing here. I feel like whoever this person is might be a family member or something like that. I don't know. It's coming off as family. Maybe you this is someone that you possibly have a family with. I don't know. Or this could be someone, like I said, this could be like your mother, father, and your sisters or something like that. Clarify this calm energy. What's going on with this calm energy? Number 14 could be significant. What is it that we need to know? All right. They just throwing them all over the place. Clarify this calm energy. Yeah, with this calm energy, I'm definitely seeing like you guys coming out as the sweethearts. Mm, healer type of energy. Hmm. Yeah, that's what I'm saying here. I feel like there's an energy of concern. Mm. I feel like like I stated, I feel like somebody's trying to portray themselves or try to portray themselves as someone that is calm, having inner peace and a sweetheart or something like that. They may even try to, trick themselves or try to trick you into believing that this may have even been a soulmate of yours. But I'm showing an energy of concern because this person have issues with abandonment. I'm seeing this is the energy of someone possibly experiencing some sort of concern because you have abandoned them or will be abandoning them or something like that, or concerned that you would abandon them or something like that. Because I'm seeing an energy of ascension. I feel like this is an energy of someone that's like trying to hold you down to keep you from your full potential of rising into some sort of position that you're supposed to be in. I'm seeing ascending number 98 and I see rising star energy, but then you got this demonic energy that wants you to stop or possibly trying to stop you or something like that, or create or cause some sort of stagnation is what I'm showing here. It look like whoever you are, you're someone that operates out of your north node. All right, you're definitely a divine being, and it's like you're attached to a karmic feminine energy. Is what I'm seeing here. Okay. Yeah, just like you're connected to this karmic feminine energy, and it seems like this person is trying to gain access or steal your manifestations or something like that. Like I stated before, this could be someone that have be friends with or have some sort of friendship with. This could be like a family member or something like that. But there's definitely a tarot reader that is significant here. That is significant. Okay. Anything else? Yeah, because whoever this person is possibly tried to portray themselves, possibly as like some sort of soulmate or some sort of twin or but it's like this energy is karmic as hell. Okay. Anything else? Anything else we need to know in regards to the divine space, family, friends, and collective in this demonic energy and tarot reader? Anything else? All right. I'm definitely seeing an energy of, some sort of self-imposed energy. I feel like whoever this person is possibly want you to be stuck on in your head. Mm. Or they could be the ones that have this energy of being stuck. This person may be experiencing some sort of blockage, is what I'm seeing here. Or they're trying to create some sort of blockage for you, from what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing a high priestess here. And with this Knight of Swords, I'm seeing an energy of like, I'm seeing quickness. Someone doing something quickly. Okay, what's going on? Yeah, or wanting something to happen quickly. There's an energy of somebody waiting. There's a waiting energy out here. What's going on with this demonic term? Yeah, that's the energy of somebody waiting or possibly trying to decide what they're going to do next or how they're going to handle something or do something, especially when it comes to, you know, this could be even like you finding out with this Ace of Wands regarding you finding out or receiving some sort of clarity. This with this Ace of Wands, it's almost like a Christ consciousness type of energy. With this Nine of Cups, I am definitely seeing energy of happiness. I'm seeing an energy of joy. All right, with this Nine of Cups. Hmm. I'm seeing an energy of you guys like Having some sort of wish fulfillment. There's an energy of you like healing or have done some sort of healing type of energy. And I'm seeing you guys receive. There's an energy of you receiving, possibly receiving gifts, receiving donations, receiving some sort of assistance. Okay. What's going on? What else do we need to know? Yeah, and I'm seeing that someone causing some sort of conflict or feeling having some sort of conflict, especially when it comes to that with the Five of Wands. I could be speaking to an Empress with the yeah, with an Empress card. You could be a mother figure, father figure, or something. But whoever you are, it seems like you're very it's like a divine energy, which I already felt before, like a divine feminine, divine masculine energy as you continue to move forward to an energy of stability. Okay, so what they were expecting to happen to you is like the total opposite. It seems like there's an energy of you guys. I'm seeing an energy of with this hermit, it talks about going through spiritual enlightenment. This is an energy of someone being in solitude or possibly spends a lot of time in solitude, is what I'm showing here. And it seems like someone wanted to gain some sort of control or wanted to possess you or possess what was coming towards you, is what I'm seeing here in the end. There's an energy of success. There's an energy of you um, receiving some sort of recognition. There's energy of you being in some sort of limelight, having some sort of fame. There's an energy of you having the advantage where you're able to continue to move forward and look like things that's happened in divine time. What was written is going to happen. You got the Most High here, right here with the Nine of Pentacles. I mean, Knight of Pentacles, which is divine timing. And the Most High is here with you. That's what I'm showing here. And Archangel Michael is here as well. Okay, assisting with bringing balance. Okay, Libra energy could be significant. Okay, and I'm seeing someone carrying a whole lot of burdens. There's an energy of burdens here. Anything else? Yeah, it look like there's an energy of somebody carrying a whole lot of burdens because they self-sabotage themselves out of your energy. I feel like whoever this person is was very deceptive, someone that you couldn't trust. Whoever you are, you could have possibly had Earth in your chart. Capricorn towards Virgo could have been significant, could be significant, is what I'm showing here, and I'm seeing an energy of you being in this Nine of Pentacles, independence, single, stable, secure. There's an energy of a wish being fulfilled, or yeah, like a wish fulfillment, or a wish being granted, is what I'm seeing here. Whoever you are, you um, which we already know, very spiritual. All right. There's an energy of healing or possibly healer energy. All right. Anything else, please, Spirit? For the Divine Space family, friends, and collective. Anything else? Ooh, I'm seeing so many options and opportunities and choices and decisions that is here for you, and that there's an energy of protection for you here for you as well. I'm seeing an energy of you guys setting boundaries or possibly blocking people out. A fire sign could possibly be significant. Aries, strong Aries energy. I'm seeing an energy of someone going through a death and a rebirth. There's definitely some sort of ending for a new beginning, is what I'm showing here for somebody. Anything else? For the Divine Space family, friends, and collective, I'm going to take that. And I'm seeing the sun. There's an energy of somebody going within and coming back out. I don't know. It's like a spiritual thing. It's like you coming back out. There's an energy of being free. There's an energy of freedom. There's an energy of joy. There's an energy of peace, is what I'm seeing here. And someone trying to come back in. They're trying to weasel themselves back into your energy. I don't know who this person is. It's like an energy of somebody trying to weasel themselves back in. Whoever this person is that tried to cause stagnation. This is an energy of possibly being in regret. This is an energy of possibly someone missing an opportunity. And I'm seeing you reaping some sort of reward as you are being moved to calmer waters. Okay. There's the energy of you guys uh investing. There was some sort of investment, time or energy into something. And I'm seeing you guys being moved to calmer waters. This is like a calm after the storm. I feel like somebody might have dabbled in magic when it came to you guys. It's like you overcame this. Anything else? This person is very emotionally manipulative. They could possibly even have water in their chart. That's what I'm seeing here. Very calculative, have no empathy for anyone else, very selfish type of energy. And I'm seeing you receiving good karma. It seems like things working out in your favor. This is karmic justice is definitely at play, is what I'm seeing here as you guys move forward. Spirit moves you forward where you're taking a leap of faith in a different direction. or continue to keep some sort of faith, especially through whatever this is. You may have been experiencing some things in your life. Like I said before, you may have noticed that your finances were messing up, or maybe you were losing friends, or maybe you was losing things, dropping things, breaking things. Okay? Look, the devil is here. I'm trying to tell you, it's the energy of you guys like ascended. Judgment being called, there's energy of you guys having some sort of awakening. There's an energy of you leveling up. There's an energy of you guys being in alignment with your purpose, being who you are supposed to be. You were actually being spiritually attacked without even knowing it by whoever this demonic energy is. This person has mental health issues. They have addictions and things like that. All right, this is a cheater type of energy. And it was required for you to finally find out, ascend, and let whoever this person go. I feel like this person possibly didn't want you to ascend to see them like I originally felt in the beginning. I'm seeing after you ascend and see them exactly for who they are. There's energy of peace. There's energy of balance with the temperance angel out here. All right, I do see this. There's an energy of communication. What is this communication about? Somebody's watching, spying. So there's an energy of somebody reaching out or communicating to you, text message, phone call, or something about something that they are seeing or have seen. Okay, because there's an energy of somebody watching. All right. Yeah, and it seems like this person is experiencing bad luck, especially when it comes to finances for themselves. Mm-hmm. That's what I'm saying here. It's like an energy of some sort of bad luck, especially when it comes to finances. They're watching the spying, and it seems like maybe they wanted that for you guys, but it seems like it happens for them. And it's like they wanted that because you walked away. You've learned your lesson. There's an energy of the Nine of Wands. Yep, you learned some sort of lesson. Especially when it comes to this energy, I'm seeing an energy of betrayal, lies, cheating, deceiving. It's what I'm seeing. You abandoning with this, abandoning whatever energy with this person and withdrawing your energy from them, whatever collaboration or connection you had with one another, whatever teaming up or whatever connection that you had with this person. Okay. There's an energy of you guys standing in your power. It seems like what you are very beautiful, very handsome. Okay. And this like a leader type of energy overall. Okay, and I feel like you guys may have been experiencing not being able to rest at night comfortably. I'm seeing a lot of mental activity. I'm seeing there's an energy of someone feeling unwelcome. There's an energy of someone harboring, okay, feeling at a loss, possibly experiencing some sort of disappointment. Yeah, as you continue to move forward with this chariot. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I see you moving forward with the chariot, and it seems like you overcome some sort of some sort of blockage. Yeah, that's what the chariot is. It's like you overcome some sort of blockages that were being placed in your path. It's like nothing can stop you as you continue to move forward. And I'm definitely seeing an energy of a closing of a cycle with the world card. Everything closes out, completion. This is a successful completion, a closing to a cycle, a contract you had. And this is, the tower is the, it seems like the universe has stepped in. And I'm seeing this is bringing forth a tower moment. It's going to cause a tower moment in someone's life. Something's getting ready to happen as you guys are moved away or separated or severed from whoever this person is after calling your energy and power back. Something's going to happen to this karmic energy. Okay. That's what I'm saying here. Something is definitely going to happen to that karmic energy. Y'all have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.